tire. Front tire is flat, but kind of holding air in shape. The rear is completely shot. Yeah. I may try the longer suspension off the 125 onto it. So, it's got compression. Looks like I may have to just try cleaning the carburetor. Checking the gas system. Checking for a spark. This was in the oil filler cap. So I robbed one of my 125s, and it fits. Oh, this seat is toast. I'm going to have to see if a seat for my 125s will fit. The pans are in a lot better shape. Gonna have to figure out the wiring to the battery. All the rest of the electrical looks pretty unmangled. We'll have to see about buying a manual, I guess, or finding a manual. And then I'm gonna have to figure it, like I say, the few connections here. Tail light. And I'll be using the, I can use my RV90 seat and rack, I hope. Yeah, spare set of bars, no problem. We had snow there the other day. And yeah, so I'm starting to nest up my bikes so I can tarp them and be done with it. But these two will be going into the shop. So it looks like the seats are a direct swap. Like I say, all I'll have to do is rebuild, get one padded and all. That's not a problem.